Hello, students. I am Dr. Padmapriya Katkal, Associate Professor, Global Business School, Belgavi. Today, I am gonna discuss a topic: career prospects in marketing. I have 16 years of experience in academics. I have done my PhD in marketing from Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belgavi. Career prospects in marketing. Why students have to select management as a postgraduate option, and also why they have to study marketing, what are the career aspects, what job profiles are there in marketing. In this session we are going to discuss that. First of all, why to select management course? You all know that it's a professional degree, globally recognized, and provides various career opportunities. Various specializations in management are MBA Marketing, MBA Finance, and MBA Human Resource Management. Apart from that, MBA in Data Analytics, MBA in Supply Chain Management. There are new age specializations or family business management are also coming up. Along with that, it also equips students with the necessary knowledge and the skills to become the entrepreneurs. So MBA doesn't just provide the job seekers, actually it helps students to start up their own venture. In MBA, why the students have to select MBA in marketing? Marketing makes a very important part of any business, be it a corporate organization or a small scale industry. Without various marketing techniques, any industry cannot survive in business. Pursuing MBA in marketing will help you to develop insights about the functioning of market and the consumer behavior. Marketing is very dynamic field. It is fun, it is challenging at the same time. Like any other fields, you have objective targets and performance management at regular intervals. The market is highly competitive in nature nowadays and poses a lot of challenges to marketers. Challenges are in acquiring new customers, maintaining, retaining, or developing the existing customers, and also maintain and sustain the profitable customer base with a shorter product life cycle. Microenvironmental factors like economy, technology, competitions are changing at a faster pace. Consumer behavior is dynamic and change is inevitable in today's marketing world. With changing consumer trends, technology, competitions, marketing becomes a highly dynamic field which requires analytical mind, observation skills, problem solving skills to come up with strategies that works best in particular market. What are the skills which are taught to students while studying MBA in marketing? The most important skills which are taught or the students acquire in studying marketing are the communication skills, analytical skills, problem solving skills, listening skills. These are some of the examples that students learn during this studying MBA. Along with that, it is business ethics, ability to integrate ideas, and leadership, which will definitely help prosper at an industry level and become expert as a marketing profession. As a marketing professional, you will be focused on innovation and would naturally have a vision for future. You will learn the importance of maintaining relationships at the same time converse with technology. You will learn to utilize the technology to reach to your customers and serve them better. You will focus on innovation and creativity to differentiate the your offer in the marketplace, focusing on maintaining relationships with the customers. So today's marketing is not just about the acquiring the customers but also focuses on retaining and developing the existing customers with the technology. With the technology, it is very easy to reach customers. At the same time, it gives a challenge of how to get the attention of the customers. And there it comes the creativity and the innovations in reaching and attracting customers plays, is a vital skill that is required in today's marketing environment. What are the career options and the job titles in studying marketing, MBA marketing? There are various fields or the subjects that students study in 2 years of MBA course, especially in marketing are they'll study marketing management, they'll study sales management, they'll study brand management, they'll study customer relationship management, marketing research, consumer behavior, services marketing, digital marketing, and so many other business to business marketing, international marketing management, retailing, distribution management. These are some of the examples of the courses that they'll study in 2 years of MBA course. What are the career options and the job titles associated if you take up the few specializations in marketing? We will study that now, or we will discuss that now. Marketing and sales are the core subjects that any MBA student would learn, and also the consumer behavior is core at the marketing specialization subjects. So today's, as explained, today's marketing has become a very competitive with the technology and the changing consumer behavior. So consumer behavior focuses on understanding the consumer psychology. It helps any marketing or any firm to understand the consumer behavior trends and to come up with the strategies and the plans to reach them, to acquire them, to retain them, and to develop them throughout their life cycle. So, consumer behavior is like understanding the psychology of the customers. It applies to even advertising, even brand management, new product development, and the so many other applications are there. Along with that, sales management. So while after studying this, there are so many entry level jobs are available for the marketing students. They can enter the industry with the job titles like sales trainee, assistant sales manager, territory managers, and like that. So many entry level offers are there even at the startup level and even at the multinational companies. So here the work is at the front end, at the field. So they'll come in direct contact with the customers and they have to interact. The same field is even in B2B, business to business marketing. They'll have to approach to their clients, make a professional presentation, and complete the sales cycle. So in B2B also, business to business marketing also, there are various entry level jobs are available after studying business to business marketing and sales management. Marketing, after studying consumer behavior and marketing subjects, brand manager, the students also can be appointed as a brand manager if they have a particular aptitude and they have well understood the consumer behavior and the applications of it. So they can work as a brand manager, how to develop a particular brand and maintain that brand with all the competitions in the market, develop the strategies to improve that brand or grow that brand in a particular market. Strategies of product development, or there can be a team or a category management. They'll have to manage the entire product line along with the other team members in the marketing department. It's not that easy for tier 3 and tier 4 city students to directly enter into a marketing department. With after certain experience in sales department, they can enter into a marketing department with the proper knowledge and the skills. Services marketing is a growing field nowadays. We teach services marketing, wherein the students would learn how the services marketing differs with that of the product marketing. And here there are various entry level jobs are also available, like business development managers in hospitality sector. There are various job opportunities are there, front end jobs which are available. And also the major sector in services marketing which employs students is retailing, organized retailing sector. So even in organized retailing sector, the entry level jobs are also available in services marketing. Along with that, this financial institutions also employ students. Entry level jobs are available for the students as business development managers, be it in banks, be it in insurance companies, and so many other. And customer relationship manager, after studying the CRM or studying the marketing specializations in banks, there are so many entry level jobs like customer relationship manager. They'll have to interact with their clients and to manage and develop the customer accounts. Marketing research is also very upcoming area like marketing analytics and marketing research, because nowadays the consumer behavior, online consumer behavior analysis of that gives a lot of insights into what are the opportunities are there, which will help in developing various strategies to market online. So marketing analytics and marketing research, these are upcoming areas nowadays. Without that, any marketing strategies cannot be developed. If students have a research aptitude, then they can enter into any multinational companies. They'll be having a marketing research department or a wing. So they can enter there and work on developing the research reports, which will in turn help the brand managers to develop the marketing strategies, because these research reports will help in developing strategies by giving vital market insights. Students can also enter any consultation firms or consulting firms if they have a grip or a knowledge in a particular area. Consultation is one of the job profile or career options are there in marketing. Then advertising and sales promotion. Entry level jobs are available as an account manager in advertising firms. The student can liaison between the client of advertising agencies, that is the companies who develops advertisement. He'll interact with the marketing department professionals in a particular company, that is brand manager, and liaison with that of the advertising agency's creative department. So he is an account manager. He can work as an account manager in advertising agencies. If he has a lot of creativity skills, then he can also enter into the creative department in developing jingles, in developing messages. If he understands consumer psychology and creativity is high in a particular individual, he can also work in creative department of particular advertising agency. There are specialized agencies are coming up nowadays in the area of sales promotions. If a student has got that knowledge and the skills to come up with the new types of a sales promotions and can do the analysis related to that, then he can also work in the sales promotions agencies. Very new upcoming area nowadays is anybody cannot ignore this field, that is the digital marketing. Consumers are going online for their shopping or their buying, and it is inevitable. So students should also have a knowledge on digital marketing. So what are the job titles available in this field? Students can also work as a search engine optimizer here. So there is affiliate marketing or a network search engine optimization or developing advertisements online. So all these are the different job profiles are available in digital marketing. So these are all the just a brief about what are the career options which are available um, for students after studying 2 years of MBA course. There is no shortage of career prospects and job opportunities in this sector. With every passing day, we are witnessing newer technologies of advanced marketing in digital area. If the students are experts in marketing and they have a confidence, they can also start up their own business and they can market their products and services successfully, or they can also venture into the startups. And along with that, there are other offers or maybe opportunities are also there to enter into non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and help them marketing the NGOs. There is also hospitals marketings. There are many entry level jobs are available in services marketing. There are a lot of opportunities including banking, hospitality, hospitals, education sector, or public relations officers, like that. The career prospects are there are many in after studying MBA marketing. Hope this session has helped you um, to know about what are the benefits after studying MBA marketing. If you have any queries, please contact BET and I'll definitely help you in understanding what are the benefits and career opportunities are there after studying MBA marketing. And one more area I have left out is like rural marketing. So nowadays the rural marketing is also picking up. So it is how we'll have to market, and for the tier 2 and tier 3 cities students get a lot of opportunities to market the MNC products in a rural area, because you are well versed with the local language and the local dialect, so you can understand the culture better in villages. So it is rural marketing is also very upcoming area. So there are many career opportunities after studying MBA marketing. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.